Hi. Are you looking at Mom now?
Mom, I have hiccups. What are you going to do about it?
Okay, concentrate and tell me when you're going to hiccup the next time. No, you have to concentrate. Really, really hard. Think about it. Well, you didn't tell me you were going to have it. Okay, we'll start over. Concentrate and tell me tell me right before you're going to hiccup. Right before. You didn't say. You didn't tell me when you were going to hiccup. You have to tell me right before you're going to hiccup. Can you do that? Can you tell me right before? Is it coming? Oh, it's coming right now. Is it coming right now? No? Oh. This game isn't working.